Today we launched the MCIPP in partnership with the Abia State Government.
Today, what we are doing is exactly a high-profile unveiling led by His Excellency, the Governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Chioma Oti. His magnanimity in trying to ensure that we increase the number of registered SMEs or MSMEs by 4,000 through a CAC and sector regulators, enabling improved access to credit, procurement opportunities, and compliance with national market standards. To build a competitive pipeline of professional enterprise support providers, we intend to train 100 business development service providers, BDSPs, improve technical credibility and productivity through skills certification. This is in line with our resolve to produce 1,000 NSQF certified artisans in garments, footwear, leatherwork, and related industries. This program is a practical commitment to institutional strengthening and inclusive growth. It positions Abia not only to consolidate its leadership in light manufacturing and creative industries, but will unlock the jobs, competitiveness, and industrial transformation required for long-term prosperity. This is where we are, and this is where we are also heading to.
So I'm encouraging every other person that think you cannot do anything on your own. Basically, I was working before I dropped because of the kids. So this gave me a forum to bounce back to my feet. So if you're there and you think you cannot do anything on your own, I'm telling you it's a no thing. Gather your strength, make a move.
And these rules are governed or provided under the Trademarks Act, for example. And the Trademarks Act provides in Section 18 that any person who claims to be the proprietor of a trademark, used or proposed to be used by him, should apply in the prescribed manner to the registrar for registration.
When we entered Abia through the Fashion Future program, our belief was simple. If you gave talent structure, if you gave it markets and enterprise systems, the talent becomes an economy. And our results this past few months sort of speak to that. The work we have done in the last 18 months in Abia also reveal a critical truth. Jobs create momentum, but it is only institutions that create transformation. Industrialization is not an event, it is an ecosystem built deliberately, governed intentionally, and sustained through standards, certification, and enterprise systems. That is what the MCIPP we are launching today represents for Abia State. The shift from interventions to industrial logic. Together, we're making Abia's creative ecosystem a productive engine, driving lasting economic impact. This initiative is setting the pace for a future where local talent becomes globally competitive, where Abia's creative brilliance continues to shine across Nigeria and the African continent. We as Ethnocentrique are honored to build this future with you, and we thank you.
I want to start by acknowledging the very hard work done by the committee that I set up. The most important acknowledgement goes to Iruna and her team at Ethnocentrique for the excellence that they have brought to bear. But the real job is changing the mindset of the consumer, of the trader, and then the manufacturer. That's the way it goes. I want to eradicate forgery and fake and promote originality. And if we make it in Abia State,
and we brand it Made in Abia. It is original. For us, we will continue to provide the enabling environment. We also provide funding. You provide the funding, you provide them with opportunities to improve on their skills. They're already doing this. They are doing them in a rudimentary manner. They are doing them in an unstructured manner. So we are moving them from unstructured manner to structured manner. We are moving them from fake to originality. We are even one step. We are waiting for you. Once you have organized yourself in such a way that government can support you, this government will support you. So on that note, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to flag off the MCIPP product.
A lot of interventions by His Excellency, and it's structural. It might be quiet, but the impact is long term because it kind of shifts the structure of skills delivery in Abia State.